This video will show you 3 methods for replacing a slate tile, using the slate hook, a copper or lead strip, and a copper babby. For demonstration purposes here, the slate tile has already been removed, so we'll show you all 3 methods in this one place. The first method is called a slate hook, which is the one that I prefer. You can find slate hooks made from either copper or stainless steel. First, we want to ensure that all debris is cleared from under the tiles above. Next, use the tiles on either side as guides to mark a straight line where the bottom of the new tile will go. The bottom of the hook is going to catch and hold the tile in place, so we want to line up the bottom of the hook level with the course line we scratched above. Then, nail the hook between the 2 tiles. Slide the new plate up past the hook, then use your slate bar to wiggle the slate down, catching the hook. And that's all there is to it. The next method is the strip, also called a tag, or as they like to say in the UK, a tingle. You can cut these to size yourself out of either copper or lead, but copper seems to have a bit more strength. The strip is about 1 inch wide and hangs down below the course line about 1 inch. As shown here, you can also fold over the bottom edge to give extra holding strength. First, we want to ensure that all debris is cleared from under the tiles above.
Any debris? Okay.
Next, use the tiles on either side as guides to mark a straight line where the bottom of the new tile will go. The strip is about 1 inch wide and hangs down below the course line about 1 inch. Nail the copper strip using at least 1 copper nail, preferably 2. Using your slate bar, slide the new slate into position and bend the copper strip up, holding the tile in place. The last method, which is the most common, is called the babby. A babby is simply a copper strip about 3 or 4 inches wide and 6 to 8 inches tall. You can also use aluminum or tin, but copper is preferred. With the other 2 methods, slate hook and copper strip, it is actually the hook or the strip that is holding the tile in place. In this method, a copper nail holds the tile in place, and the babby is simply a flashing to cover the nail. Make a few cuts along both sides of the babby, creating serrated edges. Then, bend the strip longwise to create a small arch. This arch will help the babby to slide over the nail and prevent it from sliding down once it is in place. First, use the tiles on either side as guides to mark a straight line where the bottom of the new tile will go. Next, we want to ensure that all debris is cleared from under the tiles above. Slide the new tile up and into place. Then use a nail punch to create a hole high in the gullet. Secure the copper nail so that it is flush with the new tile and does not penetrate the slate. Then simply slide the babby up between the seam covering the nail and under the slate above.